This software is called Wood Joints. It's developed by Focus Educational Software, and it's an interactive resource which will help students in developing an understanding on how different joints are constructed and aid in the correct selection of wood joints for different furnishing projects. The software Wood Joints includes 3D models of 37 traditional joints and has linked information pages. The joints are sorted by 7 common furniture projects, ranging from chairs through to cabinets. So you can see here you've got a table, chair, and as you click through the different joints that are used in these projects, you can see on this one this is a drawer, and they're talking about here the outside joint. So these are the different joints you'd be able to use. Internal joint, and for the base of the drawer itself. So as an example, we'll focus on the through dovetail, which is the corner joint. Students are able to manipulate the software. They can turn it around, they can zoom in, have a good look at it. They can see the different areas of the joint, the 2 separate pieces, and then they can also close it up and see how the joint will look when it's completed, to give them a good visual. Along with that, there's an information page which gives you a bit of an idea about the ease of manufacture. It can be done by hand tools or done on machine tools. The suitable materials, solid wood, plywood, and the applications of it. Obviously, for a through dovetail, these joints are generally for backs of drawers or even the fronts of drawers that you see in these pictures. The tapered shape of the tails resists the forces applied to the joints when the drawer is in use. So apart from it being a strong joint, the dovetails are also used for their decorative qualities. So you can see on this picture here, click on the picture and it gives you a nice close-up of the joint on a completed project. Along with that, there's also a built-in word processor, and on here you'd have place for specific project measurements. So if the students were creating this drawer in the workshop, obviously each dovetail joint will have different sizes depending on the project, so you could have the actual measurements up here. I've got a picture here just with showing you the pin and the tail, the different parts of the joint. And also on here there's some links to different websites showing you, this one here is the marking out and cutting the tail, and the next one's for marking out and cutting the pin, and there's also a link to a video demonstration on YouTube which will show you exactly how to mark it out and cut the joint and construct it and end up with a completed joint. Students also be able to take notes and include photos of their own work without having to leave the main program, and then these documents can be printed and saved. So overall, Wood Joints and interactive capabilities make this program ideal for learning about wood joints and where they should be used in furnishing project work.